these are Porsche Experience ride-alongs, and the new GT4R is just a GT3R, I think. That's cool. And here we have a 67 911R apparently. Cool. Okay, nice. Period correct. PTS chain chest with all the colors. And here we have the Sally Special. It's basically based off Carrera 4 GTS. Sally Special and a one-off paint with these special inserts. I think these headlights are also made for Sally to commemorate the 996 look, along with the wheels. Flat nose 930, I think. And I don't know what blue this is, but paint match wheels, very cool. I think it's one of 86 or something. Touring in Etna Blue with 3RS there and launch spec. Oh, green metallic on this GT4. This is the original color that I wanted for my car, but I wasn't eligible for PTS. And this one over here is, I think, something carbon gray or something. PTS 12. Fjord Green 4RS. 52 and Ruby Star, actual Ruby Star, not Neo 25. Here next to them is a black olive GT3 Touring with white calipers. Interesting. And a casual for GT drive-by with all the GT3s and Tourings. 997 GT2 and another one. And the red guy's down there. Some photos of the skyline in this foggy place. Can't even see anything.